Hey, hello and welcome. In this video, I will give you a brief introduction of the Xtreme Builder's option panel. Once inside the WordPress dashboard, we need to go to Xtreme Options in order to access the options panel of the Xtreme Builder. Let's click on Xtreme Options. So there we have it. This is the options panel of the Xtreme Builder. You can see that we have various option settings like general options, header, footer, sidebar, widgets, blog, WooCommerce, styling, typography, autoresponders, and template club, and importing and exporting as well. So you can see that you can customize Xtreme according to your requirements. Let's see what are the various options that we get with the General Options tab of the Xtreme's Options panel. You can see that we can select the layout of the theme as boxed or white. When I click on boxed, I also get the option to select a background image. I can also upload a custom background image. Going forward, I can select which page of my website do I need to set as the front page. Similarly, I can also select the blog page. Now I can upload a favicon image. I can also upload a preloader image or enable or disable the preloader completely. I can decide if I want to open the images on my website in a lightbox by default or not. I also have the option of adding scripts to the header and footer of my website, and this will be very useful in case you want to add some Google Analytics or some other custom tracking scripts to your website. Moving forward, let's see what are the various options under the Header Options tab. We can upload our logo using the header options. I can also decide the style of the navigation menu from top, left or right. Going forward, I can also select the arrangement of the logo and the top menu. So I can select from various options like logo left, menu right, logo right, menu left, and so on. I can also adjust the header height to suit my requirements. I can also select the top menu styling from 3 different styles without any separator, with a small separator or a big separator. Similarly, I further have options to select a custom header style, and this will include non-transparent menu, slightly transparent menu, and a non-transparent menu with shadow, and without borders. So in this way we can totally customize how the menu and header of a website looks. I can also select if I want to have a sticky header or not. I can also select if I want to enable the shrinking header, and I can enable or disable the header menu search icon. I can also select if I want to show social icons on the top bar of my menu. I can also select a secondary menu along with the primary menu on my website, and I can also give my contact number or other extra information on the top menu. And I can select if I want to have the top bar, that is a secondary menu, to be sticky or not. Going forward, I can also select the styling for my breadcrumbs and titles on the page. So I can select if I want to display the title or breadcrumbs, or display only title or only breadcrumbs, or hide both of them. I can also upload a custom image in the background area of the breadcrumb. I can also select a custom color, and I can decide a custom padding inside the breadcrumb area. Alright, let's look at the footer options. So we can give a copyright footer text over here, and I can select the number of columns that I would like to have in my footer from here. I can also select various social networking URLs that I would want to have links to on my footer. I can enter the links to those social networks in these text boxes. Going to the sidebar options, I can select what kind of sidebar do I want to have on my blog: single post, page sidebar, or archive page sidebars. So I can select from left sidebar, right sidebar, or no sidebar. Widget options. Using the widget options, I can create custom widgets. So I can get the name of a new custom widget like custom and click on add new widget area. So this custom widget will automatically get added to the widgets menu under the appearance tab of the WordPress menu. And I can then go to the widgets and customize this widget according to my requirement, and then I can put this widget anywhere on my page using the widget shortcode. Let's move forward to the blog options. From the blog options, I can select the default styling of the blog that I would want to have. So I can select a blog with a small featured image, blog with a big featured image, and blog with post arranged as grids. Or I can also design a custom blog pattern inside the Xtreme's live editor. I can also select if I want to display the post navigation or not. Similarly, I can select option to switch on or off the author bio or the related post section. I can also select what are the various meta blog settings that I want to have on my blog page. So I can switch these settings on or off easily. And I can also select the various social sharing icons for the post on my blogs that I want to show below my blog. Alright, so moving forward, we have a WooCommerce option. So using this WooCommerce option, what I can do is I can set a parallax banner on my shop page. So if I click on display banner, I get more options, and I can just upload an image from here and give the image an overlay color, opacity, give a custom description and color, and I can get a shop page parallax banner like this. So you can see that I have an image in the background along with some opacity, and this is the title over it, and it has a parallax effect going on. Alright, so moving forward to the styling options. So from the styling options, we can select custom predefined color styles. So I can just click on this and it'll take up the orange color styling that has been set, and I can also customize each of these styles. So if I open these accordions, I can see that these settings are set automatically when I select any of the predefined styles. I can also go here and change these colors to suit my requirements. Similarly, I can also edit all these color scheme areas. So Xtreme gives you total flexibility. You can customize top bar colors, logo section colors, main section colors, alternate section, footer section, and footer subsection. So in case you want to have it in a totally managed fashion, what you can do is you can determine a main section color scheme, and once you are done doing that, you can select an alternate section color scheme. So whenever a section comes after a particular section in your page, it will automatically adopt the alternate section color scheming. So this greatly reduces time and provides a lot of uniformity across your website. You can also add your quick custom CSS in this box over here in order to get some custom stylings. Typography options. Using the typography options, I can select from almost 600 to 700 Google fonts over here, and I can also select the other settings like font weight and stylings, families, and font sizes. I can also select different fonts for main menu links and for menu links on hover and menu drop down links, as well as main menu drop down links on hover. Moving forward to the autoresponder settings, you can see that we have almost over 25 to 30 autoresponders already integrated into the Xtreme Builder. I can just select any of these autoresponders and then put my code that I have got from these autoresponders and connect my account to these autoresponders. So once this connection is made, I can use the lead capture shortcode of the Xtreme Builder to capture leads on my web pages. Then we have the template club. As the name suggests, using this template club, I can just import templates, and the whole website or the demo website will automatically get imported. I can also import and export the settings of this options panel from these import and export tabs. So in case I want to migrate or transfer my website to some other domain or other hosting, I can always take a export of the current settings of the options panel and quickly customize the new options panel that I have on the other domain. So this is all with the options of the Xtreme Builder. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.